Okay, front door. Front door. Nice tile. Alright, just so you know, the people who are living here, they already started packing. But they would like to have 2 to 3 months before their home closes in Miami. So they would like to do a lease for 2 or 3 months. So that would have to be part of the contract. I'm sure we can negotiate something around that. So this is the living room, and then this is the dining room. They just have all their furniture and stuff here. But this is when you first walk in the house. So there's the front door. This is the front entryway. Alright. It's very clean. There's a closet here, and this is open this way. So you got a coat closet. Okay, so there's a little area for a breakfast nook. They have the dining room. Living room, and the laundry room. Has nice tile. Oh, forgot to show you this rug. It runs that way. It's in good condition, from what I can tell. This goes out to the garage, and there's room for the fridge and a washer dryer in here. And this also has a window, and it is a slider door. It has a door to block it off. So that goes out to the pool from this living room area. There's bedrooms down there. We'll go that way afterwards. Here's the kitchen. So room for stools. Let's see if I can get a good picture of the... Has like sparklies in the... It's solid surface. It has sparklies in the design. Cabinets are in good shape. Let me go back. Refrigerator. And the stove. Let's see, it's tiled. The backsplash is tiled with little designs. I don't know if you can really see that or not. That's cute. Lots of outlets. Let's see. We'll do the bottom first. Tile along the backsplash. That does open to the back. And then we'll walk in. This is the dining room area. We'll go hit the master bedroom. There's the slider here. I'm sorry, this has to focus. There is a slider here that goes out to the pool. And this is the master. That's a big bed. They have very big furniture in here. The rug is kind of like a peach colored rug, I guess. Not really tan, but... Ceiling fan. This is the master bath. Hi. This actually looks like one of the ones we've seen before with the smaller master bath. There's the window. I hope I don't go too fast for you. The shower. This is the master closet. it's a good sized closet. It goes all the way around. And the master goes right out to the pool area. Alright, let's go see the secondary bedrooms. Quick. I don't know where they went. The owners are here, but this is actually a really big secondary living room off the kitchen. It does have the white windows, but let's see. Alright. Alright, this is one of the secondary bedrooms. They are packing. Well, as you can tell, see if this is a walk-in. Yep. This is a walk-in. You got lots of room in here. Let's see, the carpet is kind of greenish color. Alright, secondary bedroom. Looks out to the pool. I don't know if you can see that or not. In the backyard. This is also a walk-in. It's actually big enough that it has a, they actually have a bureau inside the walk-in closet. So. Alright, second bathroom. It's just regular. Kind of like pink in here, a little bit peach. It does have a door that goes out to the pool area, and it does have a storage in here also. I think I'm going to go out this way to the pool. Alright, this is the pool bath. Alright, backyard. There's that other the other bedroom window. This is the backyard. The pool looks nice.